In our news bulletin for this evening, the new Public Service Commission has appointed the Director General for the Ministry of Infrastructure. Niue's weightlifting team returned triumphant with medals from the competition in Nomea, New Caledonia. There was tough competition in the Rally of the Rock during Queen's birthday public holiday. Wedding bells were ringing in Awasele last Saturday. The Niue Public Service Commission has officially appointed Mr. Andre Siohane as the Director General for the Ministry of Infrastructure. This marks the final appointment for the Director Generals to lead the newly established government ministries as part of government's transformation process, where government departments have been divided into 4 ministries. The ministries are Ministry of Natural Resources, Ministry of Social Services, the Ministry of Infrastructure, and the 4th being the central agencies and commercial agencies. The allocation of ministerial portfolios have also reflected these changes. The Ministry of Infrastructure is subject to restructuring, where there will be 3 departments: the Department of Transport, the Department of Communications, and the Department of Utilities, that will comprise of the Public Works Department, Niue Power, Civil Aviation, and the technical component of BCN. Mr. Siohane brings 21 years of experience in the public service, starting as a trainee Public Works in 1993 and moving up the ranks to manage the Water Supply Division from 2001 up until now. He has also been the project coordinator for the Integrated Water Resource Management Project for 5 years. We wish Mr. Siohane well on his new appointment. Niue's weightlifting team in the Oceania and South Pacific Senior, Junior and Youth Weightlifting Championship in Nomea, New Caledonia have managed to pick up 3 medals in the Oceania division. A total of 260 athletes were competing, with the largest team from Australia, followed by New Zealand and Papua New Guinea. The team returned today victorious and satisfied with their efforts in the competition. Team Niue had 7 lifters and 2 officials. Zeke Pullen competing in the 85 kilo junior and senior division, Rex Rico Milikitama in the 105 kilos junior and senior division, Jack Filetti in the 77 kilo junior and senior division, Malia Ver in the 75 kilo juniors and the 69 plus youth category, Matoria Tano 69 plus kilo youth category, and Danny Nimani in the 105 plus kilo seniors. Team coach and official Alentano said that the competition was tough and exciting. Danny Nimani managed to get a silver medal in the senior men's 105 kilo plus division. Rex Rico Milikitama also received a silver medal for his efforts in the 105 kilo juniors division. Vitolia Tawasi came away with a bronze medal in the 75 plus junior girls division. Some of the other team members also placed in the South Pacific Division, and their medals will be sent over at a later date. This competition is one of the qualifying events for next year's Youth Commonwealth Games in Samoa and the Youth Olympic Games to be held in China. The team arrived today and will continue training in preparation for the Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, Scotland in July. It was a beautiful morning on the northern side of the island in Mutalo as competitors and volunteers gathered for the annual Rally of the Rock bike competition. The total number of entries this year was 19, and 4 of them were locals. The race was in 5 stages of bush tracks from Mutalo to La Capa to Tuapa, Makefu to Sekolo, all the way to Paluki to Foa, and from Foa to Talamaitonga. The overall winner this year in the senior men's category was Simon Yates, with a combined record time of 1 hour and 4 minutes, retaining his title from last year. Rob Kennedy took the veteran men's division with 1 hour and 10 minutes. In the women's open category, Paula Suckling had the fastest overall time of 1 hour 21 minutes, while Vanessa Gundry took the veteran women's title with her best time or winning time 1 hour and 25 minutes. Alana Tukuniu came in 3rd in the open women's category, and Artan Siosikefu, the youngest rider in the group, one of our very own, received an acknowledgement award for the youngest rider in the competition. His overall time was 1 hour and 45 minutes. Congratulations to the winners and everyone who took part in the Rally on the Rock for 2014. Last Saturday, one of BCN's very own staff tied the knot in Avasele. There was much fanfare and celebration as Tifanga Tupuiliu with his sweetheart Rosalie Eleni Talangi. The formal nuptials were held at the Avasele Church, presided by Reverend St. Wato, and the church was filled with friends and families eager to be part of the momentous occasion. The bridal party arrived and the bride radiantly made her entrance, and after a few photos with family at some of the scenic sites within their village, they made their way to their reception. A formal reception was held at Talo's restaurant that was also packed with families who also travelled from afar to be part of this special day. Representatives from both sides appeared joyful with words of welcome and well wishes for their future together. It was also a time for some words of advice and an opportunity for the bride and groom to thank those who made everything possible. Guests were treated to a feast before the program proceeded on to entertainment provided by families, friends and colleagues. We would like to congratulate the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Tupuiliu, and wish them all the very best on their future together. That is our news bulletin for this evening. We do hope you can join us again for our next news bulletin on Thursday. But we are also expecting the arrival of Prime Minister John Key tomorrow with his entourage at about 20 to 10 in the morning, and they will be departing the island at 20 to 6 in the afternoon.